guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eyebrow. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you're part of the family, thank you very much for clicking on my video. So today I've got eyebrow tutorial, updated eyebrow tutorial for you guys. So recently I've been doing people's makeup because I'm actually a makeup artist, so self-taught makeup artist. So I've been doing people's makeup for birthdays, photo shoots, parties. Ladies have been asking me, or girls have been asking me, like, how do you teach us how to do your eyebrow, teach us how to do the eyeshadow and blah 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 blah. So I've been telling them, like, I don't have the time to do stuff like this. Like, I feel like it's not the time for me to teach people how to do makeup. But I've actually thought about it. I'm like, I can easily make a video and just put it out there for you guys to learn if you want to learn how to do your eyebrow. So basically that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to film a video on how I get my eyebrow done. So I'm going to be doing like the 2020 updated eyebrow tutorial. So you're going to be needing a spoolie brush, which is this one right here. You're going to be needing your eyebrow definition brush, which is going to give you the shape, which is this one right here. It's very flat. This is why I like using this brush, because it's very flat and it's very thin, so it actually works very well with your eyebrow, that one. And you're going to be needing a blending brush. I either use this one to blend, or I use this other one to blend as well. The other brush that I use to shape is this other one, but I feel like most girls use this one because it has like the curvy shape, so you can easily arch your eyebrow. But I always go for this one because I work much better with this one. The concealer I'm going to be using today is this concealer right here, Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. So the reason why I like this concealer, because it's very thick and it's a super coverage. Like, this literally is going to do the job like 100%. Like, it's super thick and it actually gives you like full coverage on your eyebrow. So that's why I like thick concealers like this. The eyebrow pencil I'm going to be using is this one here by Rimmel London. This is the darkest shade, brown, and I think this is in the color 00. And I'm going to be using eyebrow gel as well. This is from NYX. This is the clear eyebrow gel. That's what I'm going to be using. And I'm also going to be using another eyebrow gel. This is actually brown. It's like a creamy texture kind of gel. So I'm going to take my spoolie brush and I'm going to brush my eyebrow upwards. But first of all, let me zoom this in so you look and see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and brush my eyebrow upwards with the spoolie brush. So once I have that brushed upwards, I'm gonna go with my NYX clear eyebrow gel. Just gonna hold the hair, so I'm just gonna do that. Now I'm going to take my Rimmel London eyebrow pencil, and following the shape of my eyebrow, I'm just going to draw a line underneath my eyebrow. So I'm just going to start like that and slightly just draw that line. See, we already have the shape drawn, so we're just gonna do this upwards, like little strokes. We'll just fill in the empty spaces like that. Same thing with this other eyebrow, so we just draw that line back and take our spoolie brush, and we're just going to blend that all together. My concealer, and I'm going to take the flat brush, this one. Make sure your brush is properly covered with enough concealer, so make sure you have enough in there. I'm just going to go ahead and clean that out. Start there, draw the line and follow your eyebrow shape. Going to blend. I'm going to take this brush and just blend that into my eyelid. After you've blended all these bits, you can leave it like this, or you can go ahead and also do the top bit. But if you want to do like a full makeup look, you can also do the top. So I'm gonna do the top, so I'm just gonna go like that and I'm gonna use my foundation brush and blend that in like that. I'll go ahead and use the spoolie brush and just brush the front of it. I'm just gonna still brush it upwards like that. So now that we have that, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder and I'm gonna bake the eyebrow with this. I'm just gonna place it right there. I will do the same thing on this one. So let's allow that to bake for a while. Okay, so after allowing that to bake for a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my buffer brush or buffing brush. So I'm just gonna buff out the powder. Same thing here. Then last but not least, I'm going to take the other brow gel. This is the creamy color one. I'm gonna go ahead and stroke that upwards like that. So that is the final look. Let me just blend this a little bit more. So yeah, basically that is the final look. I think I like it like this. Pretty much cute. What do you guys think? I love them. They're so cute, so natural. So yeah guys, this is the final look. It wasn't that difficult. It actually took me like 10 to 15 minutes to actually do this. So basically it's actually simple. So if you just follow all the steps that I just showed you guys, you're definitely going to achieve this type of eyebrow, my new updated 2020 eyebrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more videos of me, I'm going to try and upload more these days because we're in a pandemic, and I have more time to create videos, so I'm going to try to upload more these days. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something out of this video, and yeah, I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye bye.